Hey dudes, this is Sam from Sam the Bounty Hunter, and today we are going to be looking at Disney's Pixar's Cars Diecast, and today we are going to be looking at this Arson report in the single pack has been released in 2017, and today we are going to be looking at this pickup truck, which is the Arson report, and his name is Brian Fee Clamp. So let's get started. So we're going to be looking at Brian Fee Clamp. So could you just see Brian Fee Clamp? He is the Arson report in Cars 1. And could you just see he painted his four wheels a bit silver. And could you just see he is just a big size pickup truck, and could you just see on his head it has a headset on his head that already painted black and gray, and could you just see it has a microphone of the headset because he is the Arson reporter. And Brian Fee Clamp already appeared in the Los Angeles International Speedway with another Arson reporter named R.E. So it looks like they just both appeared in the Los Angeles International Speedway together. And then and one thing, they both came onto the 2-pack that has been released in 2016. So let's separate RD. And this pickup truck has the first name called Brian, just like the Car 3 leakless racer named Brian Spark. So it looks like I already have two cars that has the first name called Brian. So here is this pickup truck's first name is called Brian, and then this leakless veteran racer from Car 3's first name is called Brian. So let's separate Brian Spark. Okay guys, so we are going to be checking on Brian Fee Clamp's color. So we're going to be looking at Brian Fee Clamp's color. So could you just see everything on his face already painted white? And could you just see he painted his mouth silver, and including on his sides right here, and even on the back side and the downside already painted dark gray. And it looks like he is ready to become the Arson reporter in the Los Angeles International Speedway. So there you have it, guys. So here is white pickup truck, which is the Arson reporter, Brian Fee Clamp. And there he is. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, stay in touch, and like this video. Rate comments below. See you guys next time. Bye.